You can watch Mickey and the Roadster races every day on Disney Junior. But now, time for another magical moment. When a pup goes missing, Pluto thinks he knows where to find her. But will they get to her in time?
Pluto, what is it? Oh, I get it. She's this way? Yeah. Let's go get Phoebe.
What?
Go get her, boy! Pluto, Phoebe! Pluto! Pluto! Oh my gosh! Yay! Hey there, pal!
Gosh, Mickey, besides you, I think Pluto has another best pal.
Phoebe! I knew I would find you, Phoebe. I just knew it.
We were searching everywhere. Then Bitsy saw your poster. We don't know what we would have done if we'd lost Phoebe.
Oh, Mickey, thanks for finding her.
Well, she found us, actually. But we're glad she's going home. Right, Pluto?
Don't be sad, Pluto. You can come over for a pup date anytime you want, starting now.
Have a great time, pal.
It was a close thing, but Pluto managed to rescue his new pal and reunite her with a very happy owner. Keep watching for another magical moment, and you can watch Mickey and the Roadster races on Disney Junior.
Tap your screen for more videos and tune into Disney Junior to watch your favorite shows.